Lay down on the floor with your back firmly sticking to it. Thrust your hips slightly forward if the arc in your lower back area is too big. If your back is arched too much, it stretches your abdominal muscles and makes them more difficult to stretch further for relaxed breathing. Put a big book on your belly. If you don't have a heavy enough book, it can be any object with a similar size and weight. It has to be heavy enough to feel how you lift it when you breathe. Put both of your hands on your chest. Make sure they don't raise as you inhale. Now, inhale, and as you do it, lift the book high above the place it was before. When you exhale, the book should drop. Make sure your chest doesn't move. Repeat as many times as you need. If you find you need to concentrate to do it, take your time with it. If it comes naturally, you're ready to move to the other exercise.